Okay, so good morning, student. Today we are going to start with the exercise 5C, and here we will be trying to solve all the questions from here. All the important questions we will try to complete today. So before that, I hope you still remember the formula. When we have to find the n term or last term, how we find? We write an is equal to what? A plus n minus 1, then d. So this is the first formula. This formula we are using every time. Then there is one more formula you will see here. When we have to find what? N terms. So there is also one formula is what? Then a n minus 1 plus d. So this formula is also there whenever. And how to find the d? If suppose we have a series here, a1, a2, a3, dot till an, right? So how will find the common difference? Common difference is what? A2 minus a1. Okay, or you can find what? Equal to what? A3 minus a2. So this is the way to find out the common difference. Okay, now we will start with the exercise 5C, question number 1. So before that, I hope you remember all this formula. So question is given here, question number 1. Find the general term of AP given by what? X plus AB, then X plus 3B, then we have X plus 5B, then what? Dot. Okay, so many terms are there, and this term is general term has been given. What we have to find the general term. This is the AP, right? So how will find? First one we will take what? A1 will be what? X plus B. The next one will be what? A2, you will have what? X plus 3B. Then A3, we will have what? X plus 5B. We have to find the general term. For general term, I hope you remember this formula. Yes, this formula we are going to apply. An is equal to A plus A minus 1, then into D. So A is the first term, D is the common difference, N is where? What? Number of term, N is what? Last term. So now for that, here we have the first term or A1 or A. This A or A1 you can write. A1 or A is first term. So now A1 we got. What we need to find? We need to find the D, then we will get our general term. So let us find out D. D formula, I will use this formula, common difference, A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2, anyone you can use. I will use A2 minus A1. So what we will get? X plus 3B, then minus, we will have X plus B. I will put in bracket. This one also you can put in bracket. Or next step, X plus 3B will be same, minus into plus, minus X, minus into plus, minus B. So plus X, minus X cancel. 3B minus B will be what? 3 minus 1, 2. So you will get 2B. So we got the common difference D. Now you write down the formula. You have to find an term or what? Find the general term or an term. So same thing, we will write an term. Therefore, an, we know what? We know an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So an will be an. A or A1 you can write. First term value is X plus D plus n minus 1 will be n minus n X plus D. Sorry, it's X plus B. So at place of A1 we wrote X plus B. We have written X plus B. N minus 1 will be N minus 1. D how much? We got 2B. It will be written here 2B. Now find out AN will be AN. X plus B will be X plus B. Then what? 2B into N will be 2B. Then what? N. Plus into minus, minus 2B. What we can simplify here? You can see here N will be AN. X will be X B. So 1 plus B and minus 2B, it will be how much? Yes. So I will first write 2B, N will be, or let us write here. We will have plus B minus 2B will be what? Minus B plus 2B N. So this is the general terms we are obtaining. For this question we have obtained that X plus Then we can also take the common. Let us try to take common here, okay, and see. So before that I will try to arrange it. A minus sign I will take at last. So we will get x. You can write like this. Bring this one at the second place. So plus 2bn. Then what? Minus I will take at the last place. Minus is b. Now take the common. So n will be n. X will be x. So what we can take common from here? So when we from here, if you see what is common, b is common, we'll take b. So x 2 when, so we can write b this side or this side, your b. So b we are taking commons, b is out. So now what is left? 2n. You write here 2n, minus will be minus, then b is already written here, so it will be 1. So this will be your answer. This will be your general terms. So this is, we are done with question number 1. Let us come to next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Find the indicated terms. We have to find the indicated terms where we have question number 1, and this is in AP. You know that this exercise is the AP, and I have already discussed about the AP in the previous class. Already we have discussed. So minus 3, minus 4, dot dot dot. We have what? T100. We have to find out here. Okay, indicated term is T100. So we will try to find the T100. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and then we need to find what? T100. Indicated term is T100. So before that we write what? A1 we have minus 1, A2 we have minus 2, A3 we have minus 3, A4 we have minus 4. So we got this. Now let us find the common difference. You know that how to find the common difference. Second minus first, or third minus second, or fourth minus third. Anyone you can take. So I will take second minus first, means A2 minus A1. A2 value we have here minus 2, minus sign. This minus will be here minus. A1 we have minus 1. Simplified, minus 2 will be minus 2. Minus into minus. Plus 1 will be 1. So minus 2 plus 1 will be what? Minus 1. We got this one. Now let us find what? We have to find T100. So if we will find last term, an term, then it will be easy for us to find the T100. Okay, or you can apply there this formula also, and you will get the T100. But what I will do, first I will find an, and with the help of an I will try to find the T100. Directly also we can find, put here 100. Here also it will be A1 will be A1. At place of D you will put minus 1. At place of N you need to put 100, and you will get your answer. But I will try to find first An. So A is what? A1 plus N minus 1, then into what? D. So A1 we have here minus 1 plus N minus An will be An. N minus 1, then D we got here minus 1. Now see, next step we will get An is equal to minus 1. Now multiply minus here, nothing is plus. Yes. So we will first, what we will do, we will multiply sign. Okay. So minus, directly you can multiply with here, plus into plus. Plus into minus 1 will be what? Minus, then n into 1 will be n. Now plus into minus. So minus into minus, plus. Then 1 into 1 will be 1. Now minus 1 plus 1, it will be what? Cancel. Yes, we got minus 1 plus 1, it's cancel. So we got An is equal to minus n. So An, if I have to find what? I need to find here An is what? 100. Yes, so at place of n I will write 100. So it will be what? Minus 100. So An will be what? Minus 100. We are getting the answer for this question. Okay, so question number 2, our answer is minus 100. I hope you are clear with this. Okay, so if we have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. I will be helping with you with the next videos. So now we will try one more question from question number 2. Let us try one more. Question number 2, subdivision 2. We have question here, subdivision 2, n minus 1, n minus 2, then n minus 3, and we have to find what? We need to find we need to find n minus 3. No need to put in bracket, it's not given in bracket, or you can write also, no problem. So n minus 3, we have what? AM, means we need to find AM here, AM's term. N minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, AM term. So again, same thing here. First one we will take what? A1, and they write down n minus 1. Then second one, what you will write? A2, it's n minus 2. Third one, what you will take? A3, and it's n minus 3. So clear till here? We have just taken first one A1, second one A2, third one A3. Now you know the common difference. How to find common difference? Second term minus first term. D is equal to A2 minus A1, or A3 minus A2, or A4 minus A3. All that. So what you will write here? D is equal to A2 minus A1. Clear? So now D, A2, n minus 2, write down n minus 2, minus sign, put here minus, put say first one in bracket, otherwise it will be, we will make mistake with the sign. So n minus 1. Now n minus 2, minus into plus minus n, minus into minus plus 1. So plus n minus n cancel. Then minus 2 plus 1 will be what? Minus 1. Now let us find what? AM term. So first what I said, whenever I have to find any term, what I'll be doing, I will find the AN term. Then I will go to AM term. So let us find AN term. AN we have A1 plus n minus, remember this formula, n minus 1 into D. This is AN pro is what? Last term, okay? General term or last term. We have the formula A1, first term, D, common difference, n, number of term. So you remember that meaning and learn this formula. So AN will be what? AN, then A1, what is the value of A1? N minus 1. Then what? Plus n minus 1. D, what is D here? Minus 1. Then AN will be AN, n minus 1 plus, now say plus into plus plus, plus into minus, so you will get minus, n will be n. Now plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus 1 into 1, so it will be 1. Now plus n, minus n cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, we got AN is equal to 0, or at place of n, if you write AM will be what? It will be also 0. So AM we got, in this case we are getting AM term also, or AN term how much? We are obtaining here n minus 1. Okay, so we will see here first AN is what we are having here, n minus 1, correct? Plus will be plus n minus 1, so n minus 1. Now you will see here what we are having. Minus 2 plus 1 will be what? Here we have the minus. So here we are having some problem with the answer. AN we are getting 0. So I think if you are getting AN 0, it will put AM also, it will be 0. Okay. So in the book answer it's not correct, but here it's correct. You will put AM equal to, you will be obtaining not n minus 1 m, it's given AN we are obtaining what? 0, right? So here in case of AM it will be 0. Okay, you will be obtaining the 0 here. In this case, question number 2, subdivision 2. Let us see the question. N minus 2, n minus 3, then we have find out D, A2 minus A1, n minus 2, n minus 1, so n minus 2 minus n, so plus 1. Now this will be cancelled, so minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. N is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 D. n minus 1. We got here A1 plus will be plus n minus 1. Then D, what we have here? D we are getting here minus 1. Now n minus 1 will be n minus 1 minus, we got here plus into minus minus, plus into plus plus, plus into minus, so minus it. Plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. Now minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled, n plus n cancelled, so we got 0. So m term also will be 0. Okay. So I hope you are clear with this. Let us move to next question. We will have next question here, question number, we will be moving to question number 3. So question number 3 we will write down. Now question number 3 we have here. We have to find, in question number 3 we have to find 28th term, then 25th term, then we have what? 25th term and nth term. Okay, nth term of the AP given by. So first AP has been given what? 21, 16, then what we have 11, 6, 1, then minus 4, then minus 9, dot, dot, dot. So we have here for AP 21, 16, 11, 6, 1, minus 4, minus 9. What we have to find? First 28th term, 25th term and nth term of the AP. So first of all, what is our aim is to find A1, then B, then other thing we can find out easily. So let us find out first. We will write first term is what? A1, 21. A2, you have what? 16. And so on, right? I will just write A1, A2. Now common difference. So second term A2 minus A1. A2 we have 16, we will write 16 minus A1 20. We have to take 20. Now 21 minus 16, how much? 5 plus or minus, it will be minus. Now what we will have here? We have to find the first an term or the nth term or tnth. I will write here with an. So nth term or nth term, same thing. So an is what? A1 plus n minus 1, then into the same formula we are using. So an we have an, a1 we have what? 21 plus n minus 1. So n minus 1 it will be what? N minus 1 we will write n minus 1. D we have minus 5, so put here minus 5. Now an will be an 21 multiplied plus into plus, plus into minus, so it will be minus 5 into n, 5n. Now we can plus into minus, minus into minus, we will have plus. 5 into 1, 5. Now an will be an 21 minus 21 plus 5, we have what? 26, right? Minus 5n. Now you got the n term, we cannot simplify further, so we have 26 minus 5n. Let us find 28th term, T20. So at place of n, what I will write? A, at place of n will be putting 20. So this one is our first answer we have got, an term, or then A20 will be what? Equal to 26, you will write 26, minus you will write minus 5. At place of n, I have written here 20, so at place of n, you will need to write 20. And see how much you are getting. 26 will be 26, minus 20 into 5, so it will be what? 100. Then subtract, how much you will get? So you will, when you will subtract 100 minus 26, you will be getting what? You will be getting 74, right? 10 minus 6, you will get 4. Then here we have 9 minus 2, we will get 7. So 74. And 100 is greater, sign will be minus 74. Next one, we have to find 20, 25. So write A, at place upon n, put 25 equal to 26. You need to write same thing, 26 minus 5, you will write 5. And how much? 25, so 25. Now 26, you will write 26. 25 into 5, so it will be what? 1, 2, 5. Subtract, how much you will get? Minus 99. So these two we got the answer. First one, minus 74. You check the answer, it will be what? Minus 70. First answer we got minus 74. And second one we got minus 19. Okay, so minus 74 minus 19. So now let us move to, at general term already 26 minus 5n. So all the three terms we have obtained. So our answer is correct. Now we will be moving to question number 4. Okay, let us move to question number 4. So let us start with the question number 4. Question number 4 is E310, a term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18. We have 3, 8, 13 and 18. So let us first, we will find what? We have to show whether this one belong in this AP or not. So means what? We have to find the value of n. Yes, so what we will do here, we will write first, we will find out A1 first term, we have 3. Then A2 we have what? 8, A3 you can write, so on. Yes, so we can find out the difference with the help of these two. What is the formula for difference? A2 minus A1. So A2 is what? 8 minus 3, right? 8 minus 3, how much? We'll get 5. We got the common difference. Now we will just assume like this. Let the nth terms be 310. Nth term, last term, or we have to assume 310, or we can write nth term. Let the nth term, okay? Let the nth or tnth, anything. So let the nth term be 310. So I hope n term, how we write? An equal a1 plus n minus 1 into what? D. So the n term we write like this. So n term or n term is same. What is the value? What value you put? 310. Put here 310. A1 you already know. You have here A1 is what? A1 3. Write down 3 plus n. How much? We have to find n. If so, n will be n minus 1. D, how much we will have here? 5. We will write down 5. Now 310. Then 3 plus 5 into n will be 5n. 5 into minus 1 will be minus 5. Then we will have 310 equal 5 minus 3. We will get what? 5n will be 5n. So we will get what here? Minus 3 or 2. Yes. 5 minus 3 will be 2. So 5 is greater. So we'll put the minus sign. Take minus 2 this side. So we will have how much? You can put imply sign here. So it will be 310. I will take minus 2 this side. So it will be plus 2 equal to 5n. Or we can write like this. 312 by 5n. Or you can write what? 312 by 5 equal to n. Or last line we can write what? 312 by 5, then what? N. Or n is equal to what? We can write 512 by 5. So we cannot divide this number by 5. Yes, it's coming in. Yes, 312 by 5n. So we cannot divide, right? So we will write what? Or therefore n is coming with in what? Fraction. If it's coming 512 by n. 5. So here what its value is 312. Okay, we will see here 312 by 5. So what we will do here, we will write, since n is in fraction. Yes, if it is in fraction, directly you write what? This is not a term of the given AP. We will write therefore 310 is not the term of given AP. Remember that. Okay, whenever you will get fraction, you will write no, it is not the term of given AP. So let us move to next question, question number 4. Now question number 5 also, it's same one, exactly same way we have to solve it. So let us try with question number 5, 6, all will be same. Just if you know, and we are using same formula, so don't confuse yourself. If you remember this one formula, n equal to a1 plus n minus 1 d, then you can easily solve this exercise. And difference is what? A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. So let us try next question number 5. Question number 5 we have here. 5.1. Which term in the AP 68, 64, 60, then we have dot is what? Minus 8. So try to understand this one nicely, so you can solve the next question, and I'll be moving with question number 6. So 5.2 you will be doing by yourselves. 5.1 is 2 is also similar to, exactly similar to 1. So we have here 68. So what I said, first one you will take what? A1 or first term. A1 we have 68. A2 you will write what? 64. So now find out the difference. You already know second term 64 minus what? 68. So we will get minus 4. Next, what we will taking this one, let this one be the nth term. Okay, so let nth or tnth you can write, or nth. So I write let nth term be what? Minus 8. So you know the formula, an equal to what? A1. This term also you can write let an term. Same thing. Okay, don't get confused. So a1 plus n minus 1. Then what? D. An will be n. How much? We are taking this one, right? So we'll put here minus 8. A1 we have 68. So 68 plus n minus 1. N minus 1. We will write n minus 1. D we got already minus 4. Now simplify, minus 8 will be minus 8, then 68 will be 68. Now see here, plus into plus, plus into minus, minus, 4 into n, so 4n. Now plus into minus, minus into minus, it will be plus. So it will be what here, 4 into 1 will be 4. Now you will have minus 8 equal 68 plus 4, how much we'll get? 68 plus 4, we will get 72 minus 4n. Take number one side and n keep other side. So we'll have minus 8, take 72 this side, it will be minus 72 equal to minus 4n. So add it, you will get what? Minus 80 is equal to what? Minus 4n. Or next line, what you can write? You can write like this, minus, take LHS, RHS or RHS, LHS. So I write minus 4n is equal to minus 80, or n will be what? Minus 80 by minus 4. Minus minus cancel, 4. How much will get? 20, right? Or you can write n is equal to 20. So what you write? Hence 8 is what? Minus 8 is 28th term of AP. Is 28th term of AP. So, or you can write hence the 28th term of AP is minus 8. So this is our answer. We got answer minus 8 for question number 5.1. So 5.2 you will try exactly similar way. Okay. So let us move to next question now. Question number 6. We have to determine the number of term in AP. So means we need to find the value of n. So let us solve this. Everything is given. All this value A1, A2, D, all will be given in question number. Next question. In question number, I think it's 6. Question number 6. I will directly write the term. They are asking, is given question number 6, is given 17, then what, comma, 14, 1 by 2, then what, 12 we have, then dot, we have what, minus 38, then what we have to find, we number of term means we need to find the value of n, okay, 17, 14, 1 by 2, let us find now. A1, you already know, A1 will be what, 17, A2 will be how much, 14, half, 2, let us solve it, 14 into 2, we will get 28, 28 plus 1, 29 by 2. Now let us find the A1, A2 we got, let us find the common difference. So it will be what? A2 minus A1. So 29 by 2 minus 17. Solve it, you will get how much? 2 will be LCM here. 2 1 are 2 1. So 21 will be 21. Minus, you will write minus. Nothing here means 1. 1 2 are 2. So 17 2 are 34. Solve it, how much you are getting here? So we are getting here 34 minus 2 will have what? Minus 5 or plus 5, we will have minus 5 by 2. 34 minus 29, we have minus 5. 2 will be 2. Now let us find what? We have to find nth value. But if you see here, last term we write with what? An. So here also I will write down somewhere. We have what? We have An is equal to already given minus 38. So you know the formula of An. An is what? A plus or A1 plus n minus 1, then what? Into d. Now put the value An, we have already minus 38. A1 we have 17 plus n minus 1. So n we have to find out n number of term. N for what? Number of term. So d we have what? D how much we got? Minus 5 by 2. Now simplify this. I will bring 17 this side. So minus 38. So this will be also minus 17 equal. Now see, plus into plus into minus. We will have minus 5 by 2 into n. So 5 by 2 n. Plus into minus. Minus into minus. Plus 5 by 2 into 1 will be same thing. 5 by 2. So we got this one. Now minus 30 is minus 70. How much will get? 8 plus 7, 15. 3 plus 1, 4, 1, 5. Okay. 8 plus 7, 15. 3 plus 1, 4, 1, 5. Minus sign. So now see here we will have minus 5 by 2. Then n plus 5 by 2. Next. Bring this number with this side. You will get how much? You will have here. I will take this n side portion this side. So minus 5 by minus will become what? Plus. So 5 by 2 to n. Take this minus 55 other side, it will be plus 55 plus 5 by 2. Next, we will have here, same thing we will write here 5 by 2 n. So 5 by 2, then n will be n. Take the LCM here, nothing is 1 and 2. So LCM of 1 and 2 will be what here? 2. Then what we have? 1 how many times 2? 2 times. 1 2 is 2, so 55 into 2 we will get what? 1010. Then plus, we will write plus 2 divided by 2. 2 dividing this LCM 2, so we will add 1 into 5, we will have 5. Now see 5 by 2 n is equal to 100 plus 5, it will be 115 by 2. Now see here n 5 by 2, if it denominator will become numerator, numerator will become denominator, so n 115 by 2, what I will do, I will take 2 other sides, so here at denominator it will become what? Numerator, so here 2, or divide it will change into multiply when it will go other side. Now here it's multiplying, it will go other side and divide. So 2 and 2 cancel, 5 1 is 5, cancel here, 5 1 is 5, so 5 2 is 10, 1 5, so 3, so n we got what? 23. So you write what? Hence the number of term equal to how much? 23. So this is our answer for question number 6. I am going slow because it's lengthy one and you need to understand each and every step, and it's very scoring. Clear? So now let us move to question number 7. Question number 7.1. So question number 7, you will see here we have 7. Determine k. We have to find the value of k. Determine k so that we have number 1 k plus 2, then 4k minus 6, then 3k minus 2. So we will take what here? First one you will take a1, you have k plus 2. Second one a2, we have 4k minus 6. Then third one we have what? a3, then we have what? 3k minus 2. And given this determine k so that these 3 are the what? Terms of the AP. So when the terms of AP, what happen in the terms of AP? When we say any this a1, a2 and a3 in the AP, if a2 by a1 is equal to a3 by minus a, so that formula we are going to use here. a2 minus a1 must be equal to a a3 minus a2. So if you will get this condition, you can easily find out the k. So let us find here a1 we got, a2 got, we got a3 also we got. So now what we write? Since the, what is this? Since the three terms, okay, 3 terms of AP are given. So we have what? We will have seen the 3 terms of AP has been given. So we will get the condition a2 minus a1 is equal to what? a3 minus a2. Find out this and see what you are getting. a2 minus a1. So a2 we have 4k minus 6. There's a1 what we have? a1 we have k plus 2. We'll write k plus 2. Equal sign will be equal sign. a3 we have what? 3k minus 2. Minus sign here, minus. a2 will be this one, 4k minus 6. Put in the bracket and solve it. So 4k will be 4k, minus 6 you will write minus 6, minus into plus will be minus k, minus into plus will be minus 2, equal you will write equal. 3k will be 3k, minus 2 will be minus 2, minus into plus minus 4k, then minus into minus plus, then 6 will be 6. So be sure with the sign, don't make mistake with the sign, otherwise we will not get the answer here. So let us see, we have 4k minus 1k or k. So 4k minus 1k will be what? 3k. Minus 6 minus 2 will be minus 8. Now here 3k minus 4k. So 4 is greater, so we have to subtract a smaller number from greater. So 4 minus 3 we will have 1k, or you can write k. 4 is greater, put the minus sign. Now minus 2 plus 6, you will have what? 6 minus 2 will have plus 4. Now k bring one side, number you take other side. So 3k, so minus k will come this side, it will become plus k. Minus 8 will go other side, so it will become plus, and then plus 4 will be here. 3k plus 1k will be what? 4k is equal to 8 plus 4, we have that 12. Or k is equal to what? 12 by 4. So 4 3s are 12. Or we have what? We got that k is equal to 3. This is our answer for question number 1. Question number 1, we got k is equal to 3. Now, so question number 2, also you can try similarly. Okay, so we will stop here for today. We have to, for question number 7, since it is the 3 conjugative terms, so we are making that common difference equal. Okay, and see, when you will make that common difference, means a2 minus a1 equal to what? A3 minus a2, then you will get your value of k for each of these 3 questions. Okay, so let us stop here. Next class we will continue.